Wait a minute, Doc. Are you sure you're supposed to be in the back doing this adjustment?
Yes.
Like, I've seen it on YouTube a few times, and the doctor was in the front.
I know what I'm doing.
No, like, let me sit down. Let me show you how.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah. Okay, I'll let you do your job. It felt good. I definitely felt it, but I feel like if he was in the front, it would have went a little further. You don't think?
So, Doc, how long have you been doing this?
It's been about 18 years now.
Oh, okay. It's good to hear. So what school did you go to?
I graduated from University of Maryland, then I went to Logan Chiropractic College.
Never heard of that one. So this Logan University thing you went to here, what is that located?
It's in Missouri.
Missouri? That's the middle of the country. Are you a Trump supporter?
Come on, I'm Haitian.
Well, I'm black. I support Trump.
So, I'm here today because my doctors are trying to give me medication. But I'm a natural girly. I do not like medication at all, so I want to know what you can do for me today.
Well, you know, chiropractic is a natural process. You know, we're going to align you, make you feel better, increase your range of motion, so you don't need any medication.
Yes, that's what I needed. Doc, you write marijuana prescriptions?
All right, it's been a while.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hey, so you're ready for your adjustment?
How long is this going to take?
The adjustment part is pretty quick.
Yeah, I was scheduled for 11 a.m. It is now 11:02, so I just got to stay on task.
All right, okay. So, are you ready?
Yes. All right, good. Thanks. How much do I owe you? See you later.
Okay.
All right. They take care of me at the front? Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right.
Are you going to start with my neck?
Yes.
Well, last time you started with my back first and then my neck.
But we can start with whatever you like.
Oh. Whew, felt pretty good. When do we schedule the next one? It feels good. I don't know, it kind of hurt. But when I really think about it, it feels good. But it kind of hurt. But it hurts so good. Yeah, it hurts so good.
Oh my gosh, I needed that. It's been in there forever. Oh, thank you, Doc.
Hello, Dr. Claire. So nice to meet you. I've been waiting forever for this appointment. You know, I only see the best.
Thank you, thank you.
But you do have a long wait time. You need to
Yeah,
work on
yeah,
that.
we're
Okay,
pretty
yeah,
booked.
okay. Anyway, what are we doing today?
All right, so we're gonna adjust the neck first. Okay.
No, but you know, I saw your videos, and there's like a contraption. There's like a serious neck adjustment.
So you want the strap?
Yes. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Whew. Pain is beauty. Beauty is pain. Do we go again?
$300 for this? I need my money back. You got me twisted. I'm ready to go.
Wait. I saw on like YouTube that like somebody's neck got cracked on and like their whole like head fell off. I just don't want that to happen. What are you gonna do? You can break my neck.
Relax.
Jesus. Okay, my neck's still there. All right. No, thank you so much.
All right, miss, go ahead and
Yes. Oh, sit.
yeah, go ahead and sit down for me. So you said your pain was in your lower back?
Oh yes, all down here.
Okay.
Here.
Right in this area here?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and have you lay on your side for me.
This side. Or
this side.
This
Yep.
side.
Yep. So I'm gonna go ahead and just.
Okay. Oh yeah.
All right. So now I need you to relax so I can go ahead and crack your back.
Oh yes, I'm relaxed. Crack my back.
Relax for me. Take a deep breath. Let it out.
Oh Lord, have mercy on my soul. Those hands. Take those hands home with me.
Thank you.
Yes. Don't do that again.
Ooh, that feels good.
My neck, my back, lick my